Hello my beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, welcome to you as well, and I hope you do stick around and enjoy what I have to offer on my YouTube channel. But as you probably saw by the title of this video, today we're going to be trying IEnvy Press and Go lashes. This is a one-step lash application and you don't need any glue to apply it, which sort of caught my attention. And if this works, it will definitely save me a lot of time. So if you are like me and you like wearing lashes but you don't like the stress that comes with trying to glue on the lashes and trying to do it perfectly and having to wait till the glue dries and all of that comes with it, you are in the right place, because this might be the lashes you've been looking for. So hopefully this will be an easy alternative for you. And I'll also tell you how you can possibly get this for free. So make sure you stay till the end of the video. But let me show you what it looks like. So I got 3 versions of these, and I'm gonna show you in a second. So first of all, it's the Glam Day, which is a little bit longer. And then next we have a Special Day Curly, which is just like if it's a special occasion. And then you get your natural one. So this is the one I'm going to be trying out in this video today, because I sort of am wearing natural makeup and I feel like this will go perfectly with my look. So it says it has pre-bond technology. It has 24-hour strong hold, which is good. I was curious about that, how long it will actually last. And it's safe for your natural lashes, and it has a non-stick mini applicator. So it basically comes with everything that you need, and we're gonna try it out on me today to see how it looks. I am curious to see how long the stickiness actually lasts and if it's like waterproof and all that stuff, but I'll obviously only find out once I start wearing it. And then if I do have any update with regarding to how I feel about these lashes, I'll leave it in the comment down below. Without further ado, let's apply this onto my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So in the natural one, you get a short, you get a medium, and you get a long, so you can sort of decide which one you want to do. I actually like the 12mm, so I might do that. I have my mirror right here in front of me, so hopefully I can see. Let me show you what it looks like. So they say you shouldn't touch on the sticky part, so we're not gonna do that. But with applying it, you're gonna apply it like under the lashes. I can't see at all what I'm doing. Okay, but that was pretty easy. It was just like one and done, super easy to apply. And I couldn't even like see properly. I'm liking it so far. I'm having a hard time seeing, so I'm gonna try my best. Okay, if I can do this with my phone and not being able to see properly, I know it's gonna be super easy for you guys to do in the mirror. Let me just make sure it's on. So we're gonna go in with one more and see how that looks. I'm sold. Like, I already love it so far. I think the most difficult thing about this is getting the lashes off this thing. So I think we can do one more just in the corner over there. And this is what it looks like. This is my own, and this is with the IEnvy. I probably should have taken a longer length to make it easier to like see a huge difference. It is not like super obvious to tell unless I'm up close. Hopefully you guys can still see the difference. Other than that, I really like this. I would definitely be wearing this more often. It's super easy to apply, and I don't need to worry about my glue coming off. If it does start moving, I can always adjust it because it already has pre-bonding technologies. All you probably need to put in your bag is this, so that throughout the night, wherever you are, if you are going out, you can just adjust it. So let me know what you think down below, and if you will be trying this IEnvy. I actually ended up getting these lashes and I got 3 packs for free. Basically, it popped up on my Facebook page and I applied for a sample. So they sent me these 3. So if you are interested, I don't know if they're still gonna have the offer by the time this video goes up, but it's always good to check. So go look on their Facebook page and see if there's anything that allows you to fill in a form for a free sample, or even on their website. If you are thinking about getting one, maybe you can score a free sample. Let me know down below if it worked for you, if you did score it for free. I think this is a great alternative to false lashes, to cluster lashes, and it's way cheaper than getting them done professionally as well. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a little something. I will leave the link down below if you are interested in getting yourself one, but don't forget to check on Facebook first. Anyway, you guys, leave your comments down below and I hope to see you on my next video. Until next time, bye.